Wanted to do a review on the Y Rescue for capturing queens and bees before the season starts. Stands for Wasp, Hornet, and Yellow Jacket. It's a 2-week supply that you get with these kits. And I think we did catch some queens here, because these are abnormally large bees. They all look about the same. And I caught 5 of them. So let's open this up and see. Alright, let me get that set up. Alright, so we can see, like I said, these bees are a little abnormally larger than the normal bees that I've seen around, so I'm going to assume that it captured all these queens, because they're much, that's a little fly got in there. These are much, much larger than most of the bees we see around here. So, caught 5 of them. And I don't see any other bees really around here, so I'm assuming that they were not able to start their colony. So does it work? I think so. At least for preventive maintenance. Please like, subscribe, and enjoy. Thanks.